I wanted to do a quick video that highlights some of the tools that Nanobox provides that make it very easy to manage, monitor, and scale a production level application. Nanobox is very flexible in how it allows you to configure your application's environment. This particular application has 4 containers running on a single server, and I can view each container individually. I can monitor the health of each container, and I can also restart or reboot the container if I need to. I also have the ability to console into this container if I need to do anything from the command line, or if I decided to, I could move this container off of this server entirely onto its own server. Nanobox makes it very easy to monitor the health and resource usage of my application. I can get a quick overview here of how this server is performing, or I can drill in and see how each component is doing in relationship to the whole. I can switch metrics and see how the server's performance is on RAM or CPU usage. I can even get an hour breakdown for an entire week of how my application performed. I can go back in and view each of my application's components, and I have the same view available as well to see how each one is performing individually. Sometimes when managing a production application with the layer of abstraction that Nanobox provides, you're concerned about the ability to go into the running container or the server and do things from inside that you might need to do. And Nanobox makes that very simple. I can console directly into this server and find out each process that's running or view each container, or if I needed to, I could console into each container individually. For example, if I needed to run a migration task on my database from inside of the container, Nanobox makes it very easy to do that. So it's not something you have to worry about if you'll have enough control over your application. Nanobox gives you the ability to decide how much or how little control you want at any given time of your application and infrastructure. Nanobox makes it very easy to scale a production application with zero downtime. If I've determined that I need to scale, I can come in here and scale either up or down and not have to worry about my application going offline. What Nanobox will do after I've selected a scale that fits my needs is it will spin up a new infrastructure and configure it to run my application. Once complete, it will migrate any data and point all new traffic towards that infrastructure and then decommission the old infrastructure. When running an app in production, the ability to view logs is essential. It allows you to introspect into the performance of your application and see if there's any issues that are happening. Nanobox lets you live stream logs so you can get a glimpse of what exactly is happening to your application at the current moment, or you can go back in history of your logs and look for any incidents that may have occurred.